Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to utilize and access the Access job feature. So it's a very easy task. All you have to do is just simply go to any browser, then just simply open X on it, as you can see right over here. Then just simply look for the job options, which should be right over here. Click on it. Now the search panel will appear in front of you. Now what you can do is you can search for jobs across the world depending on the niche of work that you actually do. Let's say, for example, if you are a data analyst and you want to work of data analyst, so in the keyword section just simply add data. Now in the location just simply add the place where you are looking in order to work, and make sure to add the city if possible. Now once you do that, a list of topics will be available over here, showcasing all the current open jobs that are available for you to apply. As you can see right over here, they're all for data analysts. So once you will see one of the jobs that you would like to apply, then all you have to do is just simply click on apply now. Now wait a few seconds, and then what you do is just simply go to the website of that particular hoster, then apply for their particular job. The procedure will be different for all the companies, but this is how you can utilize Access new job feature. So that's it, and thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.